Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are well. Today is not a vlog, it's a simple cooking video. So we're going to be making this vegetable which is called turnips. So whoever is watching this video, I will ask you a favor. I want you guys to comment down below the name of this vegetable in your language. What you call this the vegetable. So the vegetable is this one here. As you can see, this is how it looks. Honestly speaking, personally, I don't know, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. I have never ate before until I met my husband. So I really don't know what it is in my language. I just know it's shaljam, it's a gunglo, it's turnips. Okay, guys, let's start with our turnips preparation. So first, you're gonna peel your vegetable. As I'm showing here in this video, I have peeled, I have cut in small pieces, and we're going to add that in the pot and add water. Just enough water to cook the vegetable until it's done. Bring it to a boil and let it boil until it's done. I forgot to mention that it's not a plain turnips we are making. I'm adding some meat as well. So this is a lamb stew, about 300 gram. So the vegetable, I'm not sure how many kgs. The only thing I can tell you guys is that the meat, which if you want to add the meat in the vegetable, make sure it's less than the vegetable. Okay, because we still need to enjoy our vegetable. So just add a little bit, not too much, just to give that meat taste. So as you can see, we are cooking meat separate. We have to add in the meat onion, tomato, chili powder, turmeric powder, ginger and garlic paste, and salt. We're going to add some water and cook the meat until it's tender. In the other side, as you can see, our turnips or gunglo is ready, and look how soft. It's so soft. So now is we're going to strain the water and we're going to mash our turnips to a fine paste. And in no time, voila, we are done. We're gonna set that aside and we're going to finish with frying our meat, because you have to make sure the meat is cooked and is well fried before adding the vegetable. So the meat, when it's tender, you have to add some oil. I add also some green chili. I add this chicken cube, chicken stock. What are you guys calling this? Oh my god. And then we're going to fry the meat. Don't forget to add some curry powder. This is a vegetable masala, by the way, which I add. If you don't have vegetable masala, just add curry powder. And I'm going to fry the meat for a few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. And when I see the meat is well fried, I add the vegetable. And after adding the vegetables in the meat, combine everything well, and you have to cook until the remaining water which is in the vegetable gets dry. As you can see, we still have water. We don't want this water. Cook it until it's dry, until it's only oil is showing. As you can see here, this is only oil is after cooking for some times for about 10 minutes. It doesn't really take long to dry the water. So yeah, this is how it should look like after cooking it for some times. After the water is dry, this is how it looks like. As long as you see it's only oil left, your vegetable is done. Because the vegetable, the turnips, has that bitterness, we are adding a bit of sugar. This part is optional. If you don't want or don't like sugar, you don't have to add sugar. It's optional. We are adding sugar just to reduce the bitterness of the turnips. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next upload. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tell me the name of this vegetable in your language. Okay? And to tell you, it was so delicious with roti. You can eat with white rice. Also, it's gonna be so tasty with hands, guys. If you eat with rice, just eat with hands. You will enjoy it. Trust me. Okay, guys. Bye. Allah Hafiz.